Yeah, I am Dr. Devashish Jana. I have done my BTech in computer science. Then I have done in MBA, then MTech. After that, I have completed my PhD program in 2010 from NIT Rourkela. I was the first scholar from NIT Rourkela in computer science department. Regarding my experience, I have started in my career from industry department, Government of Odisha in 1993. Then I have worked there for around 7 years in the industry department. Then I have gone to the Electronics and Corporation on deputation basis. Then I was having in the academics area from 2000 till 2024. Now also I am in the academics purpose only. During those periods, I was IT consultant to the Government of Odisha, and also I have involved in lot of cyber security process in the Government of Odisha, and I am one of the technical expert for CID, Crime Branch, SIW, and OMFED. All those things I have done as an expert. Then regarding my research interest, my research interest is information security. I have completed one of the project in computers information security funded by the Ministry of Electronics and IT department. I have also done some of the project from Government of Odisha. Then at present also I am having a project in information security, in blockchain, those things, my research interest. Regarding the IIIT, I can say that it has been started with the foundation stone was laid by the then President Abdul Kalam ji in 2006. Then we have started the MTech program in 2007 in computer science department. In 2009, we have started the BTech program in electrical science branches, circuit branches mainly. That is the computer science, IT, computer engineering, and electronics, as well as the electrical department. Then in 2014, IIIT got the university status. From there, we have started the PhD program. This is the one of the institute in the state which get the scholarship for the research scholar. And now this year we will be starting the postdoc program. And regarding the why students will attract to the IIIT is that we are focusing on the teaching and learning process, and we are having a full-fledged infrastructure. We are having the sophisticated lab. We are also having a lot of research projects where the students can work in those projects like information security, as I have already told you, then natural language processing, then your bioinformatics, blockchain, those things are area where you can start, and government is supporting, like fully supporting by the government. Then regarding the government supports and with what is the plan in the future is that with the leadership of the Professor Ashish Ghosh has joined as our director. He is a well-known researcher in the field of AI and ML. So with his guidance, we will be focusing mainly now on research, and we will be one of the research institute where the focus is to serve the public to the society. And Government of Odisha is giving full support in that. Those things can be done with the help of our faculties as well as the students as well as the research scholar. I have joined IIIT Bhubaneswar in 2010. And in besides my teaching, I have been assigned in the training and placement cell. I was the dean for the training and placement cell since 2011, and I am involved in the students' interaction and students' problem because I was the dean of the training and placement. And when I have joined as a registrar, then in 2022 also I am working as a, in the background I am working as a dean for the training and placement cell. So student who has any problem with the anything in regarding the administration or regarding their any problem, they can contact me with my mobile number, or they can drop a mail in my mail ID. So I'll be more than happy to address those things. I welcome to the new batches because they'll be more than happy to be part of this triple ID. They'll get all the support from the administration and from the student, from the your faculty member, and they are this institute is mainly, as our previous director was telling, that it is a technology playground. So they can enjoy the technology, any technology they want. In our triple ID management is ready to provide those infrastructure, and also we are having a lot of society where they can participate, starting from the curricular, extracurricular, anything they can do. So I welcome again to the triple ID Bhubaneswar.